Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing Module 6 Lesson 4, which is another type of method in depreciation, which is the sinking fund method. Okay, so sinking fund method, ayan, the formula would be yung annual depreciation niya, makukompute natin siya as FC minus SV times I over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay, ayan. Ang total depreciation after X years naman is dx is equals to A 1 plus I raised to X minus 1 over I. If you remember the formula for annuity, di ba ganyan? Yung future formula for annuity. So, for depreciation for X years, okay, ito yung gagamitin natin. And then, of course, book value is first cost minus total depreciation. Okay, so let's answer sample problem number 1. A dump truck was bought for 30,000 6 years ago. It will have a salvage value of 3,000 4 years from now. Okay, it is sold now for 8,000. What is its sunk cost if the depreciation method used is sinking fund at 6%? Okay, so nabili daw, so first cost natin is 30,000. Kung 6 years ago yon at ang salvage value is 3,000 for 4 years from now, so ibig sabihin ng N natin is 10. Okay? Meron tayong salvage value na 3,000. Binenta daw siya ng 8,000. Ano daw yung sunk cost niya? Okay? So, solve natin yung depreciation niya. Actually, solve natin yung book value niya ngayon, which is 6 years, BV6. Okay? So, ang BV6 ay equivalent sa first cost minus yung total depreciation. Ngayon, makukuha natin yung depreciation niya after X years by using the annuity, diba? Annuity formula na, ayan, A times 1 plus I raised to X minus 1, diba? However, hindi pa natin minus total depreciation. Ano ba yung annual depreciation niya? Yun muna yung hanapin natin. Annual depreciation niya is equals to yung formula. First cost, 30,000 minus salvage value na 3,000 over 1 plus 6%, 0.06 raised to N na 10 years minus 1. Okay? So, yan yun. 30,000 minus 3,000 1 plus 0.06 raised to 10 minus 1. Okay. Tama ba yung formula natin? Ay, meron pa palang I doon. Times 0.06 to. May I pa pala dyan sa taas. So, lagyan natin ng I. So, meron tayong annual depreciation na 2,048.43. So, makocompute na natin tong total depreciation using yung annuity formula na future, 2,048.43, yung A niya, times future is 1 plus 0.06 raised to how many years? 6 minus 1 over 0.06. Okay. So, 30 minus 2,048.43 per year times future natin for 6 years. So, that is equivalent to, oops, tama ba to? What is, okay, ang book value niya for 6 years is 15,711.55 dapat. Ito dapat yung pinagbenta niya. However, binenta niya lang ng 8,000. So, lugi siya ng, or sunk cost siya ng 771.54. Okay? So, 7711.54. Ito yung nalugi sa kanya. Okay? Ito dapat, ang ibenta niya, 15,000 dapat niya binenta, pero binenta niya lang ng 8,000. So, minus 8,000. Ito yung sunk cost. Okay? Lugi ng 7711.54. Okay? So, next, let's proceed to sample problem number 2. A certain office equipment has a first cost of 20,000 and has a salvage value of 1,000 at the end of 10 years. Determine the depreciation at the end of the 6th year using sinking fund method at 3%. Okay. So, meron tayong first cost na 20,000. So, kunin muna natin yung annual. So, 20,000 minus salvage value na 1,000 times 3%. Okay. Over 1 plus 0.03 raised to how many years? 10 minus 1. So, ang annual depreciation niya is one six five seven point 30. Yan. Ito yung annual depreciation niya. Ang hinahanap is yung depreciation niya at the end of 6th year. Okay? Total depreciation at the end of 6 years. So, kunin natin yung D6 annuity, 1657.38 times 1 plus 0.03 raised to 6 minus 1 over 0.03. Okay. So, sagot is 10,720.61. 10,720.61. So, this is the final answer. Okay? So, let us proceed to sample problem number 3. A factory is constructed at a first cost of 8 million and with an estimated salvage value of 200,000 at the end of 25 years. Find its appraisal value to the nearest 100 at the end of 10 years by using the sinking fund method of depreciation assuming an interest 5%. Guys, ang appraisal value is parehas lang ng book value. Okay? 'Di ba? Pag sinabing appraise, ano yung value niya for the present time. Okay? So, let's solve. Okay? Meron tayong, kunin muna natin yung A, 8 million minus salvage value na 200,000 times how many percent? 0.05. 1 plus 0.05 raised to 25 minus 1. So, ang A natin is ang annual depreciation niya is 163,429.17. Now, ano yung depreciation niya at the end of 10 years? So, 163,429.17 times 1 plus 0.05. Sorry. 1 plus 0.05 raised to 10 minus 1 over 0.05. Okay. Plus 0.05 raised. So that is equivalent to total depreciation of 205 5594.50. So, that is 2,055,594. So, ang appraisal value or book value niya after 10 years is first cost, which is 8 million minus 2,055,594.50. So, 8 minus answer is 594. Okay, ang final answer natin na BV10 is 594 4 sorry 5944405.5. Okay, that is 5,944,405. This is the final answer for example number 3. And that ends our lecture for lesson 4, sinking fund method. Thank you for listening.